I subscribe, follow, like, comment, share. This is actually really burning. Hi. Hello. If you're new here, I'm sorry. I'm a mess. I'm pretty much always a mess, but like especially today. I don't know why, but I feel like being really creative right now and doing like homecoming is today. I am not a student any longer, but I was inspired to do some wild makeup. Why do you guys subscribe to me? Don't know if you can hear me or not, so that's great. Hold on for one moment. So my skin is looking rough, so maybe I should touch it up a little bit. Oh, that's fun. So yes, I'm coming out with a video. It's probably already out. Maybe, maybe not. I couldn't tell you, honestly. But there's a video out or coming out about me answering questions about moving out. And I got this comment today. Shout out to this person. I appreciate you so much. But I got this comment from a person.
We interrupt this program with breaking news.
My skin is so dry. I got a comment from somebody today saying, I don't know why she's making this a big deal. Most people move out at 18. I was like, oh, well, okay. I mean, it's kind of a big deal to me, but that's just me. Thank you for your comments and time. And my phone is blowing up. I'm so famous. I don't even know what to do with myself. So maybe we should do like a rainbow cut crease. Am I capable of that? I have so many dirty brushes. I don't even have any clean brushes. So like, they're olive brown. I need to wash them. That's what I should do after I'm done doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna get my life together. Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette. Can we all believe that I was gonna go to esthetician school? What a joke. There's still makeup on this brush. I am incapable of a lot of things, and who would have thought that makeup was gonna be one of those, but it is. I don't know what I'm doing, so like keep that in mind. Ooh, blue is an awful color for underneath the eyes. Shoot. Oh well, we'll figure it out, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush because this has the least color on it, and then we're gonna go into the crease. So my acne is super bad, not that like you care or anything, but I think it's just because I've been stressing out so much. Yeah, no, this is not gonna be good. Am I feeling this? I look ridiculous. Hi Mom, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I miss you. And like draw a line. I think this is how they do it. Oh, that doesn't even look half bad. I mean, I kind of look stupid right now, but like, I don't even know anymore. I ask this question every single video, but why do you guys subscribe to me? And why do you watch my videos? Just kidding, I know I'm amazing. What was the whole point of me doing a cut crease if I'm just gonna go over it with colors? I don't know. Oh, well, that doesn't look very pretty. Oh gosh, Rylee. This is not blending very well. Oh, it's fine.
We interrupt this program with breaking news.
I have an idea. What if, when I'm done with this, I hop into the bathtub and take some pictures? That was the weirdest sentence I've ever said. I do a little like photo shoot because I was gonna do it with somebody else, but they're not here, are they? No, they're not, because they had bigger and better things to do than spend time with me, because I'm not as cool as this little person. Yeah, there should be more purple. I agree. Guys, I think we're getting somewhere. No. Oh, that looks bad. I regret it.
We interrupt this program with breaking news.
Ooh, I have an idea. So I always knew that this would come in handy sometime. I also am gonna just throw a bunch of glitter on this, because I already look insane, so like why not? Okay, that didn't really fix anything, but I look ridiculous right now. Okay, so update on my whole idea. I've come to the conclusion that I'm taking off my eyebrows. This is kind of burning. I'm not even gonna lie. Goodbye, eyebrows. I love you. This is becoming a disaster. That was just not a good idea. I hate this already. Okay, that doesn't look good at all. Oh my gosh. I'm irritated. Screw it. Regret it already. Yep, already regret it. Take it back, take it back. Okay. My camera was so sick and tired of me that it shut off on its own. I have no idea what I'm doing actually. Like, it's just becoming a mess, but I feel like that's what like all artists work with, you know? They're like, oh, well, this looks like trash, so let's keep building. Let's keep creating. I give up. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm allergic to this though, because I'm kind of burning up a little bit. Oh, it's now on my nose. Hi, subscribe, follow, like, comment, share. This is actually really burning. Oh, my eyes are gonna get super red and irritated. It's gonna be even cooler. The comments that I'm thinking to myself. The comments that I know that I'm gonna see when I upload this video. Okay. I don't know where to go from here. I'll see you when something is. I don't know. Okay, update. I'm half naked right now, so this is all you get to see. This is the final look. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, it is the final look. I'm starting a bath, if you can't tell. And I am going to take some pictures in a bathtub. So, hopefully, fingers crossed I don't drop my phone into the bathtub. Cause I have to have, I have to take out my nose ring too, I think. That probably look best, honestly. If I can get it out. I don't know. Ow, okay. Okay. See you. My camera is not working. So, there's that. Like, it literally keeps saying, you have counterfeit Canon batteries. Excuse me, no. No. I spent $54 on one of those. So, yeah. Here's a close-up of my makeup, so you're welcome. Yeah. I'm about to just go to bed. I'll be like, oh, look how cute I am. All I've done today is work and, like, whatever. Okay, well, yeah, so, guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Okay, well, peace out, I guess.